Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we are going to use the formula provided that mu equals k over p. And this is going to tell us the average number of trials that are needed to get k successes in a binomial experiment. And this problem is asking us to get 2 5s, so therefore the k is 2, and we are rolling an 8-sided die. Well, if there is an 8-sided die, only one of the sides is 5, then our probability of success of getting a 5 would be 1 out of the 8 possible sides. So if we substitute these values into the formula, then we get mu equals 2 divided by 1/8, which is the same thing as saying mu divided by the fraction of 1/8. And whenever you divide by a fraction, it's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we end up with 16. So therefore, you would average 16 rolls before you would get 2 5s to show up on this 8-sided die.